What do you do when markets are as scary as they have been in the last 10 days? NASDAQ down almost 10% in those 10 days. Well, what do? First of all, we look for signs of buying. And then second, we make a shopping list of names that we'd love to own that the price wasn't right before and maybe right now. Well, let's take a look at those signs as to whether we bottomed. And let's take a look at 3 names that have landed on our list as attractively priced stocks. So let's really quickly check if all the bottoming signs that we typically see are happening. First of all, are people out of risk assets and into less risky assets? Well, the white is the NASDAQ, which over the last 10 days is down 10%. And the blue is bonds, which continue to rally. So folks are definitely moving from risk on to risk off. Sign number 2 we look at, CNN fear and greed. This is a scale from 1 to 100. 15 incredibly low, even lower than when we made our low back in August of 2024. Sentiment incredibly low in the stock market and everybody is hedging like crazy. And finally, this is another sign we look for. Did the VIX spike? Absolutely. The VIX has completely spiked here. So we've got high volatility, we've got low fear and greed, and we've got people moving out of risky assets into less risky assets. All of the signs that help us think maybe a bottom might be in soon. So what do we do in this scenario when fear is high, when sentiment is low? Well, we make a shopping list and we pull the trigger when it gets to a price that we just can't do anything but fall in love. Take a look at Google right here, right? Google is down 19% from its peak just a few days ago. And guess what? It trades at a scant 16 times next year's PE, well below the market for a company that's doing much better or at least as good as the market. Let's take a look at another name here as well. Here's another one on the shopping list, SMCI, that's super micro. This stock is 40% off its high. It's had some accounting issues and some paperwork issues. Those are all fixed. And guess what? This stock trades at a scant 11x 2026 PE. Very cheap, very difficult to turn down, even though the market is in free fall. Finally, let's do a market play. This is small caps. This is IWM, and you can see that they've been hurt pretty badly since the December high, down about 16%. Very bad sell-off here, essentially getting thrown out. Probably a decent market play here if you're looking for more of a beta play to play any sort of snapback. We never know where the bottom is, but we're always ready to buy things we've always wanted at prices we've always wanted to in this style of market, which is what we have done here at River One. Thanks so much for following along. We really appreciate it. Please subscribe to YouTube, and we appreciate all the videos. If you guys have any questions, let us know.